Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss a very famous play, The Family Reunion of T.S. Eliot. It is a two-act play which was published in 1939. The setting of the play is in Wishwood, which was a grand house in North England. Wishwood was a grand estate. The timing of the play is of March. It was springtime, but the weather was cold. It is the story of Ami Lady Monchansi, who is an old woman whose husband had died. Ami had three sons named Harry, John, and Arthur. They did not live with her mother, but Ami wanted that her son live with her. Ami Lady Monchansi had three sisters also, and their name is Evie, Violet, and Agatha, with whom she lived in Wishwood. All the three sisters of Ami are married, and their husband's name is Charles Gerald Peter, who also live in Wishwood with their wife and Ami Lady Monchansi. There was a more character in this play whose name is Mary. Mary is the daughter of a distant cousin of Ami Lady Monchansi. After the death of her mother, Mary began to live with Ami Lady. Ami loves her so much. She was very fond of her. Mary is of 30, but she was unmarried. So, friends, let us start the main story of this play. The story begins with a birthday party. It was birthday of Ami Lady Monchansi. She has become very old. Her sister Evie, Violet, and Agatha was organizing the party, and their husband Charles and Peter also were busy in preparation for the party. Ami was very ill at that time. Her situation was very critical. Her family doctor comes and said that her situation is very critical and she may dead anytime. It is her willpower that she is alive. She is alive just to unite the family. She want to saw her son in Wishwood. Her three sons lives far away from this house, and she want that कि they attend the party. यानी कि अमी lady want that कि their children, their son attend the party, so she can tell them that कि she would not live long. So Harry should take the responsibility of this house because Harry was the eldest son. So she want that he should take the responsibility of this house, and they will attend the party in the evening because Ami lady has called them. Everyone was busy in preparation. Evie, Violet, Agatha, and their husband were discussing about the present generation and said that the present generation has been totally corrupt. यानी कि during the preparation they were sitting and talking with each other, and they were saying that they were talking about the present generation and saying that the present generation has been totally corrupt. There is no morality in them. How much is the change between our time and in this time? Present generation did not take their responsibility. They did not know even what is right, what is wrong. Mary was also with them. यानी कि in this conversation Mary was also involved, although she was young. They ask Mary her opinion because they want to know the opinion of Mary, but Mary did not want to give her opinion because she was something uh, disheartened because she was at 30, but there was no marriage proposal for her. So she did not give any answer of this matter, and said that ki, I think I did not belong with any generation, because she was in frustration due to her marriage. So she said that ki, I think I did not belong with any generation. She was very sad due to the marriage. Everyone was sitting and they were talking. After that they talk about the Harry's wife, who was the eldest son of Ami lady. So Harry and his wife was on ship. During this time they were on ship. His wife slips from the ship, and drowned in the sea. So they were talking about the death of Harry's wife. Ami was waiting for her sons, but none of the son comes in the evening. She came to know about the accident of her younger son John and Arthur. So they were not coming in the party. At last, Harry attended the party. He comes to his home after 8 years. When he comes, he said to everyone that I think that I am responsible for the death of my wife, because he was very frustrated by the death of his wife. And he said that ki, I think I push her in the sea, and due to this he as she drowned in the sea. He was feeling guilty. He was mentally disturbed, although he was not responsible for the death. But he was thinking that he pushed his wife in the sea, and she drowned in the sea. Lady Munchausen thinks that the mental condition of Harry is not well, so she calls the family doctor, Mr. Warbird. Lady Munchausen had invited Dr. Warbird, and they will come in the evening and examine Harry. Now Mary was very disturbed, and she said that she did not want to live in this house anymore, because nothing is going on well in this house. But her aunt Agatha forbade her to leave the house. Agatha said to Mary that Ami lady is not well, and she will not allow you to that what you are going to do. So don't think to leave the house at this time. And Agatha was also thinking that it would be better that if we marry our son Harry with Mary, because Mary was also unmarried and the wife of Harry has died. So it will be better that they both married once again. After that, Harry and Mary talk about their childhood, the time which they pass with each other. So they were talking with each other, but at last Harry said that he has to go from here. I don't want to live in this house anymore. When Harry was about to leave, Agatha told. Agatha said that listen, I want to tell you a secret, and the secret is that once your father tried to kill your mother when you were in the womb of your mother. So your father tried to kill your mother. At this, Ami becomes very angry with Agatha and told that why you told this secret to Harry. And Harry was also frustrated with this that his father tried to kill her mother, and he said that I don't want to live anymore in a second at this house, so I will left this house as soon as possible. Harry further said that I will send my younger brother John and Arthur, who is able to take the responsibility of this house. But now Amy Lady Monchensi was very critical, and she could not bear this what Harry was saying, that and she could not bear, and she died. And Amilady has died. After the death of Amilady, Agatha and Mary uh, round her dead body and prayed for her soul, and they were praying for her soul, and they blew out the candle of birthday party. In this way the play ends, and the theme of the play is that ki the reality of our family, which happens in our family, so the reality of the family repeat in our further generation again and again. And this way I hope it will be very useful for your preparation. That's all. Have a good day.